concept of rearing and breeding. Rearing and breeding of sheep. Basically, what is rearing? So rearing refers to proper maintenance, proper looking after and proper development of the sheep. So basically, rearing is done for getting a good quality sheep. So when we are doing the rearing, we should look after the food for the sheep, for the proper shelter of the sheep and proper health equipments and the health requirements of the sheep. Basically, when the food, shelter and health are all given to the sheep will be of very good quality. And जब sheep अच्छी quality की होएगी तो जो wool, that means जो हम उससे fleece निकालेंगे वो भी अच्छी quality की होएगी. So basically, rearing refers to the proper management and planning of the food which is given to the sheep in proper room in which the sheep is kept and proper vitamins given so that it does not cause any diseases. So the persons who look after these sheep and who do the rearing of sheep are known as shepherds. So the person who is involved in the rearing of sheep are known as shepherds. So as we all know, sheep and goats, all these are herbivores because they get green plants. So when the food is given to them, so it is mixed of various grass. It can be leaves. You can give them pulses. So we have to give them a mixed quality of food so that they have the nutrients of all the food, and when they have the nutrients of all the food will be of good quality, and similarly the sheep will be also of the good quality. So when we take the case of the shelter, the shelter must be proper ventilated, it must be proper cleaned, there should not be any dust or any garbage which is there, and proper health should also be maintained for the sheep. Basically in India, if we take the case of India, we have numerous states who is doing the rearing of sheep, that means who are producing wool from the fleece, and these mostly the states are Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Odisha, parts of Assam. So all these states are doing the rearing of sheep, that means they are taking care of the sheep and then getting the fleece from those sheep and then doing the wool production. Now let us come to the breeding of sheep. Basically, breeding refers to proper choosing of the parents. That means breeding refers to the selection of special characteristics. That means choosing the best quality for the sheep, we have to take care of the proper selection for their parents. Suppose for example, I have parent 1 and I have parent 2. If suppose parent 1 has the quality that the sheep is of very good quality, that means the fleece of that sheep, that means the hairs on the body of that sheep are very much, that means the quantity of the fleece on the body is very high, and the parent 2 P2 has the quality that the sheep of the P2 has very fine hairs. Whenever we take the case of fine hairs, that means these hairs are of very good quality, and when the shawls or clothes of these wool are made, they will be also of very good quality. Now when these parents are chosen and they are bred together, a new organism is obtained. A new organism is obtained, and this new organism is known as the offspring. So selective breeding refers to choosing the parents with special characteristics so that the new organism, that is the offspring, is of qualities from both the parents. Now when the fleece is required from this offspring, it will be of very good quality because the hair were very fine, and it will be large quantity. So this is known as the process of selective breeding. We have numerous types of breeds of sheep and goats and camels that are found in India. One of them is Bharat Merino. So Bharat Merino is an indigenous, that means it is produced in India from the special parents that are also found in India. So it is mainly a Bharat Merino sheep is a type of selective breeding of sheep done in particularly in India. So this was the concept of rearing and breeding of sheep. Rearing refers to proper caring and management of the sheep, and breeding refers to the choosing of selective parents so that the new offspring has the desired qualities.